Okay, time to make oatmeal. Let's turn this sucker on. You got a cup and 2/3 water. One grated apple. Two diced dates. Here we have ginger, ginseng root powder, cinnamon, 1/8 of the strong stuff, half spoon of the other kind of cinnamon. There's two kinds of cinnamons. Half teaspoon of pure vanilla. Coconut oil, 1 teaspoon. Olive oil, 1 teaspoon. Avocado oil, 1 teaspoon. Hemp oil, 1 teaspoon. And almond oil, 1 teaspoon. To get to a boil, then you dump in your oatmeal. Give it a stir. You don't want it all clumped up, so give it a stir. Bring it up to the boil, and we'll dump it in, and I'll let you see what happens next. Once you've got your apple mix up to a hard boil, give it a stir. Set your lid down. Get your oatmeal ready and just drop it on top. Don't stir it in. And give it a slight push down. Leave the apples on the outside. Let your liquid get on top. The water juices. Cover. And let it sit for about a minute. That'll soften the apples up and your dates, and I'll combine those spices, and then you give it a couple of stirs after that to combine it all, and then you turn it off to let it soak up everything to oatmeal and kind of cooks on its own time. See how far she is. All right, give it a stir. Now I'll cut it down to medium. About a minute. Give it a stir. Now it's time to let it set. Turn it off. Come back in 5 minutes. It should swell up to perfect oatmeal. Okay, your oatmeal is ready. Time to plate it. And steaming. Smells great. All it's missing now is a dash of butter on top. I'll put before I put these little plates on top to keep everything hot. Not looking for a lot of butter, just a little bit. A little dab on there. And that's our oatmeal for this morning. Three prunes each. Nutritional yeast. Yogurt water. And 2 waters on the side. Time to put it on the breakfast table and eat. Bon appetit.